So we are at the Six Flavors drive-in near Nagol. So it's just shy of the Nagol metro station, and as you saw, this is like a really nice place over here. The lighting is amazing and you have so many options available too. And actually Vishal and I have ordered 3 different things from 3 different places. The first one is a farmer's sandwich from this place called Hunger Filler right behind Vishal actually. And the second one is a Mumbai Bhel from a Fruit Crush juices and chaat place. We love Mumbai Bhel, and I think Vishal's favorite dish is Bhel Puri, isn't it Vishal?
Yes.
So that's definitely a given. And apart from that, we wanted to try a veg shawarma. So there's this place called Cass which serves shawarma, kebabs and grills. So we went ahead and ordered the Cass special veg shawarma. We're just waiting for the food. Once it's here, we'll let you know how it is. So the food is here, and first I'm gonna try the Bhel Puri. This is from this place called Fruit Crush. So let's just give it a try. It's supposed to be Mumbai Bhel Puri. Looks kind of like it, so. Pretty nice. And it's super tangy. Oh, I really like the taste of this thing. There's this garlic red chili chutney that goes into Mumbai Bhel Puri, which is evidently visible in the segment. You can taste it so well. I really like the flavor of that. And they haven't skimmed on the dhania, onion and everything, which gives the Bhel Puri a superbly, extremely nice flavor. So after I try, we'll have a round of Vishal trying stuff as well. So the next one over here is the farmer's sandwich, right Vishal? So this is from Hungry Filler. I can see a whole lot of veggies and everything in this, and it looks pretty appetizing to be honest. So let's just give it a go. Oh yeah. There's cheese also in this, and it tastes really amazing. There's like a chaat masala flavor in this, which I absolutely like. Oh, I really like this. It's a pretty damn good sandwich. Oh, that's really nice. Now on to the final thing, the shawarma. It's like all rolled up. So let me just unwrap it a little and give it a go. It's in a rumali roti, as you can see. It feels pretty big. How am I gonna eat it, Vishal? Okay, this is a little bit of a letdown for me. There's way too much mayo in it, so the flavor that I'm getting is only mayo mostly. There is paneer too, but there's some other sauce or spice which I'm not sure about. And let me give it another bite and see if it's still there. Yeah, it's a little weird for me. It has a grill barbecue flavor. I think that is the one which I don't usually enjoy as much. So that's the flavor that I'm getting over here. As you can see, there's like quite a bit of paneer also in it. So it's filled to the brim, that is for sure. They haven't skimmed on the filling, but the taste is a slight bit of a letdown for me. Let's get Vishal to try all of these things.
Sure. I like it. Given that I like barbecue style food, I really like what this store had to offer. The shawarma is actually as per my interest. So I like to eat a lot of barbecue stuff. So this is definitely what I like. I'll go for another bite before I move on to the next dish. Nice. Okay. Moving on to the sandwich. You got a shot of this? Yeah.
Sandwiches are definitely something that Vishal loves. So
It's got kind of a, even though it is sandwich, it's got a desi vibe or a taste to it. It's really nice. It probably tastes like a bel puri on sandwich. Moving on to the actual thing, the bel puri. Let's see. So all the three items that we have bought today is basically my daily food if given. If I had to go on an island, and three items which I would select is these, and probably burger and fries is the fourth item. But yeah. Nice. Good. How is the bel puri also? Bel puri is also okay. I'd say,
as good as I make it.
yeah, that's obvious. So it's good, but it is not like, the other places where it becomes way too soggy. So it's good. It tastes good. It has a unique taste rather than the regular chaat stores that we have, the chaat bandar and everything, where we get bel puri. It is not like that. It is has a different taste to it, given that it's again the Mumbai bel puri. So obviously it needs to have, and it's evident in the taste everywhere. So I can taste probably all the spices that have been put in. It's nice.
So we're just eating whatever we bought. Vishal's enjoying the bhel puri. Even though he says it was okay, he likes bhel puri, so he'll probably just gobble it up. And once we are done with the food, we're probably gonna hit up some other spot. We're gonna go to a mall, right? Like mostly. Yeah, so we're gonna go there. And this was a nice stop actually. This is a good place to near Nagol metro station. And the food is very decent, it's very nice. So definitely a spot wherein you can, like, it's a drive-in, so you can definitely get your families. Like many people here got their families, and there's also a spot, like place up above there where you can actually sit. So,
Yeah. So if in case you're moving somewhere from LB Nagar towards Uppal, and you want to have a quick bite, probably like a shawarma and burgers and fries and sandwich and a mix of everything, then definitely yes. And there's also Aladdin Mandi over here, because me and Rashmi being vegetarian, we might not have tried that, but definitely maybe looks like a place to eat. And also there's a Chinese restaurant which is called,
there are quite a few dessert places.
yeah,
desserts
Mr. Lee,
also.
and there is something called Cakes and Donuts. And there is also like a indoor sports arena where you can play pool, snookers,
I
and
didn't know that.
you have a turf football as well at the back of the drive-in. So yeah, definitely you want to spend an evening somewhere on a Sunday or a Saturday. A good place to come and hang out with your friends as well as family.
So thank you guys for watching. We are seating outside here. We haven't gone up there. We just wanted to stay away from the crowd. So yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye bye.